What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, the most amazing thing just happened. I met a Bunny Birdy Gator family member here in Dollar Tree. I met Icy Squirrels right here in Dollar Tree. She said she heard my voice across the store and came over and introduced herself. So that was so amazing. Icy Squirrels, it was really nice to meet you. Oh my gosh, I love meeting you guys. It's always so amazing when we can meet in real life. But here I am, right where I met Icy Squirrels, on the craft aisle, and I was admiring these cute little mini glass containers. They would be so cute for mini scenes. We also have some bigger ones right here. Quality is really nice. And then we have some really nice glitters. Maybe you could get some of these glitters and use them with the little mini glass containers. But over here, you guys, I'm kind of excited about these. We have brand new iridescent beads. And I can't really tell, but I think they might be glass. I'm not really sure, but look at all the new varieties we have. These little ones, these ones might be new. And we even have a smaller variety of pearls. You guys know the ones that I'm really loving. I'm really liking the pink and blue the most. And then these ones are so pretty. Look at these. Look at all the beads we get. Look at the pretty pinks. The cute little seed beads. They're adorable.
You're not allowed to be tired. Nobody is, right?
And then down here, I was hoping these were glass, but they're not. But aren't they so cute? These little bottles. So cute. Glitter. I'm loving these glitter packs. I kind of want to get some more glitter today because in some of my other locations, we don't find this much glitter. Like, I kind of want to get this one and maybe, I don't know if I want to get this one. I kind of want to get these two. This one and this one. I'm really feeling this one right now. It's so pretty. But I just bought some glitter. Of course, we have these over here as well. I just bought 3 containers of glitter. For my second channel, Bunny Birdy Gator ASMR, I'm always looking at all of this fun stuff now. For my new channel, I get to buy a bunch of crafty stuff, glitters, paints, all sorts of things. What I'm doing on my new channel is mostly like gym chalk crushing, playing with cornstarch, baking soda, making reforms, crushing those. It's a lot of fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, you guys. These are so cute. Wow. These are definitely new. I really love the little leaf. Look at these. The texture on these, it's just really nice. And this is just a little elastic. So if you have a different charm you'd like to put on after fall, you could do that. We have the cute little serving trays. I really want to look at the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I want to go down this aisle. This is sort of the crafty aisle, since we were just looking at craft items. And I want to see if we have any new crafty items. The snowball decor is new. We have a nice variety of those. Felt stickers. So cute. So cute. We have all the little DIY kits, the faux snow. You guys know how it is. Every week we get more and more new items, so you have to check the last place you looked, because a lot of times new items get fit in. Oh my gosh, you guys, the miniatures are here. Okay, Gator wanted me to get some street lamps. We have a little red truck. We have kids. Aww. Santa mail, the mailman. A little cart with wood on it. These are so cute. I think Gator wants, I wonder how many I should get. I might just get the 2. But of course, here I go looking for the most perfect one, right? I think I'll get that one. The Santa mail is so cute. And I think I want to get the kids. Get the kids. Look at this one. We have Santa and the little welcome to the North Pole and a snowman. I'm definitely going to get these. These 2. Because this year we are creating a mini village in the Christmas village. Should I get the little red truck? I love the little red truck. It's really cute. Does the hitch work? No, the hitch doesn't connect to the truck. But it's so cute, isn't it? I'll put it in my cart and I'll ask Gator if he thinks we need it or not. Do we need it? Do we need it, Gator? He'll be like, yeah, Mama, get them all. Get them all, Mama. I can't wait to see what else we have over here. But first, let's look at these little socks. Oh my gosh, you guys. Little Christmas llama socks, pink and green. Santa and the reindeer. Penguins. Merry and magical. So cute. Merry and magical. That's adorable. Rainbows, unicorns. Then we have Jingle and Flamingo. Ash, if you're watching, you have to get these. Or maybe you have these already. Those are so cute. I love the pink ones. But I also love the Merry and Magical. And then super cute dogs.
Yeah.
Super cute ribbons.
Were you worried we weren't gonna?
Aw, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. Look, we have brand new tea light candles with glitter on the top. 8 to a pack. These are so cute. So I'm looking at the time, and I think I need to start my live, which when you guys watch this, I would have already gone live on Monday. So definitely go back to that live if you missed it. But I'm contemplating where we should go live at, and I'm thinking we might need to go live right here with the Christmas items because this store is so well stocked and so neat. And I'm just feeling like this is where I want to be right now. So yeah, you guys, join me in my next video. Go back and watch the live if you missed it. We got to look at this cute Christmas stuff. I'm feeling happy already. All right, you guys. Well, thank you for watching. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.